full-scale aircraft would be somewhere around 300 inches in wingspan. They weigh about 30 pounds. They have a 3W110 engine in them, which develops 10.5 horsepower. The full-scale airplane had a 27-inch, almost 27-inch wing, or 27-foot wingspan. They had a 360 horsepower engine in them, 3 bladed props, had a maximum speed of 280 mile an hour. But the big thing about them was they could pull 9+ Gs, which mean 9 times your weight, or -7 Gs. They have a roll rate of 345 degrees a second. That's almost 1 revolution a second. You can imagine being a full-scale pilot and being in there and rolling your plane 1 revolution every second. They have an unbelievable climb rate. They can climb up to 3,000 feet in less than 2 minutes. Okay, we're ready to go, guys. We call this the Yak Attack. Take it away.